Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 69 on multiple and submultiple angles under trigonometry. Let us start with the first question. Cos A into cos 2A into so on cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. It is very important identity we have. Now we are going to prove it. What is the resultant answer as? For that, let us see. We have cos A. We have cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A so on cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. Okay, so that is otherwise. Let us multiply and divide with 1 by 2 sin A. Both the sides I mean to say. Let us multiply and divide with 1 by 2 sin A. What do you have then? 2 sin A cos A into cos 2A into so on into cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. This is what we are going to have. Again, if I simplify, that is going to be 1 by 2 sin A into, what is the value of 2 sin A cos A for us? That is nothing but sin 2A. Sin 2A into cos 2A. So, sin 2A into cos 2A into so on cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. Suppose if I have 2 here, 2 sin 2A cos 2A, this entire value becomes sin 4A, that is sin 2 square A. So what is the next step? Let us multiply and divide with 2 now. No need of sin A now. Only 2 you have to multiply and divide with. Then what do you have? 2 square into sin A into 2 sin 2A cos 2A is cos 2 square A, that is cos 4A into so on into cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. This is what we have. So, what is the next step? Sorry, this is cos sin 2 square. Sin 2 square times of A. Again we have cos 2 square times of A. Its next term will be cos 2 square times of A. So on. Again, what else you need now? One more 2 you require here. If I have one more 2 here, that becomes 1 by 2 cube sin A into 2 sin 4A cos 4A. That is again sin 8A. The process goes on like that. So, if at all the process goes on, at one point of time you have 1 by 2 power n times of sin A into 2 into sin 2 power n minus 1 times of A into cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A. This is what we are going to have at the end. So, if I simplify that, this is all equal to sin 2 power n minus 1 into 2. That is nothing but sin 2 power n times of A. So, final answer will be 1 by 2 power n sin A into sin 2 power n times of A. So, this is the end of the process. So, cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into so on cos 2 power n minus 1 times of A is equal to sin 2 power n of A by 2 power n times of sin A. So, which is the right option here? Sin 2 power n times of A by 2 power n sin A. That is nothing but first option for us. That is the right answer. Let us take the next question. The value of 1 minus tan square 15 degrees by 1 plus tan square 15 degrees. Here, of course, you know the value of tan 15. You can substitute. Or else, we have an identity. What is that? Cos 2 theta is given by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is the value of cos 2 theta. If at all theta is 15 degrees, what do you have? Cos 30 degrees is equal to 1 minus tan square 15 degrees by 1 plus tan square 15 degrees. Fine. So, this result is 1 minus tan square 15 degrees by 1 plus tan square 15 degrees is going to be cos 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 30 degrees for us? Cos 30 degrees is given as root 3 by 2. That is the value of cos 30 degrees. So, out of the given options, third option is root 3 by 2. So, that is the right answer. Let us see the next question. What is the value of, see, if cos cube theta plus cos cube of 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos cube of 4 pi by b plus theta is equal to a times of cos 3 theta, then a is equal to. In fact, this is also an important identity. Okay, but here also I will try to prove it. First, before proving it, how can you write cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta as? This can be written as cos of pi minus of pi by 3 minus theta. I can write like this. Okay, because pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3 minus of minus theta plus theta. The result is the values are same, only the form I am changing. So that is going to be cos 180 minus theta. What is the value of cos 180 minus theta? Minus cos theta. So that is minus cos pi by 3 minus theta. Minus cos of pi by 3 minus theta. That is the value of cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta. Then what about cos 4 pi by 3 plus that is going to be cos, this time you can write it as pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 is 4 pi by 3 plus theta. So that is going to be cos 180 plus theta. Even cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. So it is minus cos pi by 3 plus theta. So this is the first thing what you have. Now, what do you need now? Cos cube theta plus cos cube of this result I write as cos cube of what, right? This value. So I can say this will be negative here, minus cos cube, because minus you have power 3. So you get minus cos cube of pi by 3 minus theta. Similarly here also minus cos cube of pi by 3 plus theta. This is what it changes to be. That is equal to, of course, a cos 3 theta. Let us see that later. So that is going to be cos cube theta minus of it is cos cube of pi by 3 minus theta plus cos cube of pi by 3 plus theta. So both have minus sign. If I take minus common, both become plus. So here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. How can you write a cube plus b cube as? A cube plus b cube can be written as, let us use this space. See, whenever you have a cube plus b cube, that can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times of a plus b. That is how we can write a cube plus b cube as. If at all a is cos pi by 3 minus theta and b is cos pi by 3 plus theta. Okay, how the result changes? First let us find out a plus b. What is a plus b? Cos pi by 3 minus theta plus cos pi by 3 plus theta. Right? So it is in the form of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That is 2 cos a cos b. That is 2 cos pi by 3 into cos theta. What is cos pi by 3? 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So the result is simply cos theta here. So a plus b value is cos theta. Then what about ab value? ab is going to be cos pi by 3 minus theta into cos pi by 3 plus theta. So it can be written as cos a plus b into cos a minus b. That is cos square a minus sin square b. That is cos square pi by 3 minus sin square theta. This is what we have. What is cos square pi by 3 for us? That is nothing but 1 by 4 minus of 1 plus cos square theta. This I can write as cos sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So that is overall we can write it is equal to cos square t minus 3 by 4, because 1 by 4 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 4. That is the value of AB. Therefore, now a cube plus b cube. So what is a cube plus b cube? Cos cube of pi by 4 minus theta plus cos cube of pi by 4 plus theta. That is going to be, this is nothing but this. A plus b whole cube. A plus b is cos theta. That is cos cube theta. Okay, minus 3ab. AB means this cos square theta. Okay, minus 3 by 4, that is AB, into a plus b. A plus b is again cos theta plus. Okay, if at all I simplify this, this is going to be cos cube theta minus 3 cos cube theta plus here 9 by 4 cos theta. This is what I have. This is the value of cos cube of pi by 4 minus theta plus cos cube of pi by 4 plus theta. So here in the question, what is there for us? Cos cube theta minus of this. Cos cube theta minus of this. So that is going to be cos cube theta minus, look at this, cos cube theta minus cos cube theta plus 3 cos cube theta minus 9 by 4 cos theta. So that's what I am going to write here, minus cos cube theta, okay, cos cube theta minus cos cube theta plus what do you have now? Plus 3 cos cube theta, okay, plus 3 cos cube theta. Next, what do you have? The next one is minus 9 by 4 cos theta. So here cos cube cancel. That's the reason why I left it like this. So if I take 3 common here, that is going to be 3 by 4, let us take, that is going to be, okay, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is nothing but 3 by 4 times of cos 3 theta. This result becomes 3 by 4 times of cos 3 theta. 3 by 4 times of cos 3 theta. So what is the value of A here? 3 by 4. That is nothing but second option. Actually, it is an identity we can remember, but I just want to prove it. So I proved it in this way. So the result becomes 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. In place of 3 by 4, he is giving A. So A can be taken as 3 by 4. Let us take the next question. 1 plus tan 1 degrees into 1 plus tan 2 degrees into so on 1 plus tan 45 degrees. So let us suppose we have something like 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta or 45 degrees minus theta. What is the result? That is going to be 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan 45 degrees minus theta is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta plus. That is simplified further. That is becoming 1 plus tan theta into here 1 plus tan theta will be LCM. Numerator is 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta. That is nothing but 2. So these two will cancel. The result becomes 2. So wherever you have 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta, the result is always equal to 2. So let us take this. If I regroup them in this way, 1 plus tan 1 degree into before 1 plus tan 45 we have 1 plus tan 44. Let me take that. Why should I take that? Because 44 is 40